going in deeper. Deeper.
Have we broke the bead yet? Well, as you can see, TJ's rolling some tires out at the moment. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So, what are we doing? Stuff that I'm going to tell you not to try at home. Imagine that. No, but it really is a good trick if you know how to do it properly and safely. So going forward, you'll be able to see exactly what this little trick is, but it is actually a little bit dangerous if you're not safe, and it can, if you're not careful, you might be claiming something on your car insurance. Anyways, your car's extended warranty, that. If you guys are liking the channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell, and we're gonna try and get some shit done. So here goes nothing. All right, have you ever tried to de-bead a tire or like, nope, I am not even gonna attempt to do that? Well, we didn't want to pay somebody to do it. So instead we took it upon ourselves. We got some really solid information from some really solid friends. And what we're gonna do today is change my Patagonias over to my new Mickey Thompsons, my 40s. Right, babe? 40s, my 40s. So we're gonna get those pretty things on. Well, first we've got to de-bead, we've got to take the ring off, and then after that we have to de-bead the inner ring on the old tires to get the old tires off the rim, and then essentially try and put them on the 40s. The 40s are the Mickey Thompson Baja Bus. They're 40, 13, 50, 17s. And the sidewall is super thick. How thick is the sidewall, babe?
I think they're 5/8 where the ring goes.
Okay, so they're 5/8 inch thick.
An 1/8 inch thicker than most tires.
Okay, perfect.
So you have to have a ring, a beadlock spacer ring.
Yes. So we did not know that. So my beadlock spacer rings are not going to be here till, well, tomorrow. And we'll show that to you in a bit. But we did want to see kind of what it looked like. I'm not going to show that to you right now because it looks super sexy and I'm going to make you all wait for that. So that's fine. Anyways, that is what we're doing right now. You're going to want your old tires, your old rims, an impact, a smaller impact, right, babe? And then you're going to want some Dawn dish soap in a spray bottle right there. One of those. You want that up?
Deflators.
That right there. Some deflators to take the air out of the tire before you start.
There's a valve stem core remover.
An F350, a diesel pusher, something along those lines. Any that will work. And then we're gonna show you the tricks of the trade that we learned. Yeah, we're new to this. Rednecks at the finest. Here we go. You're also gonna want a high lift jack. Make it super, super sticky. Patching a tire. Oh, look. Go. It's probably burning your hand. Shit. Hurry. Stay here. All right, let's get to the good stuff, guys. This did not work, just so y'all know. So we're moving on now, and we're going to show you the different types of ways that we used to de-bead a tire and which was the faster way, and the faster way worked only after we did it the proper way. So let's show you the different ways and how fast they were. Here we go. All right, so what you guys see here is two different tires. Her original tires were 40s. My 38 is a Patagonia, which was not that worn down. So in order to give her a hand, we found out that they are very, very similar in size, less than 1/4 of an inch in difference. So what we decided to do was air down the one Patagonia to compensate for the size there, and then it worked perfectly. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna de-bead her tire, put mine on as a spare so she can run and guide trails to volunteer. All right, we're gonna take your rim, we're gonna attempt to take your rim off of your other tire and then put the Patagonia on. So wish us luck. So you guys remember, before you start taking a beadlock ring off, to always air the tires down. The air was already out and we'd already loosened these. That's why I'm not going in a star pattern. trying. It's off. You need a bead breaker. So you use a socket right here to turn this. Once you turn this, there is a little foot right here. It pushes down on the bead. We're gonna put a towel right here so it doesn't ruin the rim. And then once you put a towel right there, then you turn this and it pushes this down inside there and breaks the tire bead so we can change out this tire for Sarah. Have we broke the bead yet?
Couple more and we've made a full circle. It seems like it's going in deeper. Deeper.
Keep pounding it like that.
You're on video. I'm making a reel of that shit.
And you keep pounding it like that, I'm sure it will.
I missed. You don't want to beat it too hard, because then you're fucking the rim up.
All right, so you guys get the idea. He had to go around the tire like 3-4 times. It took forever to break the bead. The other thing you need to do is to have some Dawn dish soap in a spray bottle. It helps a ton. So we're moving on to the next way you can do this. Okay, now you've officially seen the first way we have debeaded tires, which took forever, but very fortunate for Sarah and David's bead breaker. Now let's show you the other way that we tried. Here we go. All right, so you guys didn't think I was gonna redo that other tire just so you could see the other way that we tried. Nope, of course not. I got some new meats, I got some 40s, I was running around on some ball 38s, so now it's my turn to show you how difficult this was, or not difficult, with my other way that I do this. So let's try this because this was a huge learning curve and we had a lot of help. So here goes nothing, check this out. So we're gonna do something a little different. TJ, tell us what's going on.
Try using a high lift jack to dismount the tires, break the bead.
You guys are gonna see that here in a minute. Stay tuned. We're gonna start pulling the truck forward so we can put the high lift jack. So the high lift jack is gonna go over there. He's gonna put it under the truck. And we're gonna take my Patagonias, which he's rolling out right now as we speak. That is sketchy. Never a dull moment. So we're gonna try this trick and we just hope it works and doesn't take out the back of TJ's truck. You guys, we were told to put a blanket down. Now, we did know to put Dawn dish soap on it, but it just didn't even cross our minds. We've been so busy, but you guys always use Dawn dish soap with warm water. It helps a lot with this process, and you're gonna see why here in just a second.
Oh, the front bumper's probably better because it freaking...
That's why I mentioned.
I don't want to put that on the front of my fucking goddamn truck.
Bad language.
I'm out of here.
She's not digging this idea of us out here doing this. She's a little bit worried. That's why she's turning around and going the other way.
I think that one's good.
I'll die if this works in like 10 minutes.
I gotta get it closer.
No way.
Now it's kind of picking the truck up at the moment, not the freaking...
Hold on.
Just look down there and see if it's pulling it off.
Hold on.
No, you don't have to do that, babe. It won't matter. Hey. See, is it tearing it away from the bead?
Oh. Yes. Keep going. No. It ain't.
What if we had 2 high lift jacks? Can I stand on the other side?
All right, you guys, we knew, but unfortunately, just didn't work out, and he unfortunately did not keep his jaw away from that bar, and it hit him on the side of the face and the jaw. It hurts really bad still, guys. Do not do that. Keep your face out of the way. Are you okay? Are you okay? You're not. But at this point, he kind of had to take a step away from the truck, take a break, ice that face, and then we kind of try to get back at it. But again, notice that we're still using the back of the truck. No Dawn dish soap. You guys, just so you know, again, Dawn dish soap helps a lot. And now we're going to show you how turning the vehicle around helps so much more, plus adding Dawn dish soap, because the motor in the front of the truck is so much heavier. making it so much easier for you to break the bead rather than lifting up the back of the truck. That's how much pressure it takes to break the bead on these tires. So let's get moving.
Yeah. We're gonna try that.
Do you want the bar?
Yeah. I don't know. Bar means.
Bar to the face.
I would put Jack with us when we're out on the truck.
Price is right. Price is wrong, bitch. You just got whacked in the face. Yep. Hell yeah, that was quick. Do you think it's broke all the way around?
No, it needs one more. One more.
Oh, we gotta go all the way around.
Well, this will only be the fourth. So we're looking pretty good. So right here, and I think we'll be done. Just don't pick this one.
All right, FYI guys, the reason we had to go like in quarters that first little bit is because, again, we didn't use Dawn dish soap. If you douse that tire bead right there with Dawn dish soap, at the end, unfortunately, we didn't get it on the video, but the end, we literally had to do it, the front and then the back, and then it just literally fell off the bead. So Dawn dish soap is like magical stuff. So I'm just going to show this last little bit, but you guys just remember, use Dawn dish soap, and then that way you won't end up going like for, you know, in quarters. Rather, you'll go one side of the tire, you flip the tire around to the other, and then it just kind of falls off. Dawn dish soap, you can't use enough. It's freaking rad.
Let's go back.
Yep. It's easier like that, and then...
Dawn, use Dawn.
Hold on. Let me get this in there.
We're missing a piece of the video.
Watch yourself. How did I have that in there before? Here,
I don't know.
Was it the bent one?
Can I push it with my feet?
I already had it somewhat close to where. There we go, like that.
Do you want me to push?
Had it close to where it went. It's just not where it was before. No, we gotta go the other way.
Which way?
Here, push the top in. Maybe. We were further before and I don't know what I did.
Here, push.
There you go.
Got it. Oh my gosh, holy crap.
No,
Wait, did it come all the way out yet?
no.
No shit.
Just, there you go.
Sorry.
Now I don't know if I want you right there because I don't want to hit you in the face.
You're gonna hit me more than just that. And I don't want to stick my feet.
Here. You keep constant pressure and pull from the inside. Pull. If you have gloves, it would be good.
Ready?
Yep. Yep, it's coming. She's coming right up.
Yeah, don't smash your hand on the ground.
I'm trying not to, TJ. Oh, fuck.
Maybe a little slick 'em on the side.
She's coming. No, she's coming. She's coming.
Is it?
Yeah. It's about to go.
Come on, bitch.
Yep.
I was just caught on that one lip. You almost got it, babe. Go. Careful.
Yep.
I'm trying. Oh, shit.
Yep.
It's all right. We're there. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Try to grab it just up here.
Okay.
So you're not
You got
smashing
it.
it in.
Good job. You guys got it.
Oh, shit. That was fun.
One.
I've already got enough bruises from the trail, and I just gained another. Oh, jeez. You're gonna eat shit, dude.
It's gonna go.
You're gonna eat shit.
See, people like just throw these in, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Dude, do it like Colt did.
Yep.
Just huck it. 3, 2, 1, send it. Go long. I don't know.
That thing's stiff. That's like my swampers.
Like I said, there's no point in saving it.
How's that going?
As we got on.
Mine are different. They're a piece pain in the butt. Yeah. How did Colt just throw it in? How did they just throw
I
them
think
in?
it's kind of editing a little bit.
No, it's not. You can't do it.
It's not.
You need the fish oil.
I've done it.
I got fish oil. You have some fish oil? Olive oil?
Try throwing it. Throw it.
Vaseline?
Give it a shot. Seriously. Yeah. Toss that bad boy.
Oh, you want me to try to throw it?
Dude, TJ. You're gonna hurt yourself, dude.
Really stiff.
Yeah, they are, man. Like bias ply, I understand. These are not bias ply.
Oh, yeah? At least you think they're not.
No, they're not. These are.
They don't tell you all of it.
You don't really want.
It's like they tell you, they don't tell you all the ingredients on all food you eat either.
You ain't throwing that. How do you even throw it to go in?
Like that, just like that. No. The bottom towards you, like down, scoop down, like this. Here, ready?
Really?
Like, yeah.
I'm gonna hit myself in the
Nah. Your hands are there. Yeah. That's
But like
better. And
harder.
Now if you stand on it, watch.
Get it, babe,
Yep.
get it.
I think if you gave it a little bit of a harder throw, you'd be good.
did
Might
feel
be
like-
hard to
it
get
did-
out
it
now.
did
though.
feel like-
Win and wait.
Okay, hopefully it'll, like that one side's not on very good. That's weird.
One side went on easy.
Come on, baby! Ooh, those dirty lights are gonna be super pretty on there. Now just to get them fit on the Jeep.
Here it is.
Yeah! Bam! There's the meats. Yeah, some meats. You got the meat? You got the meat?
Yeah.
Crush-A-Con's monster look is underway. Hopefully to be done soon. All right, babe. Drop that bitch. Oh my word. What? Thing's a monster truck. All right, it's test drive time. I bet you can't guess what I'm doing right now. Why would I be taking Crush-A-Con for a test drive? Hold on, wait for it.
All right, guys, here we go. Here's Crush-A-Con with some new shoes. We probably ought to get the Sawzall out already. Look at this grin from ear to ear from Crystal. Yeah, there we go.
No bead, no
It's gonna rub just going out of the freaking driveway.
holy shit.
She goes giggling, little schoolgirl. Got new meats. Meats. There goes the meats.
All right, guys, one last thing, and I feel like it's the most important because there were a ton of people involved in making this happen right here. I didn't want to go another 38, so I went with 40s. But that doesn't go without saying that the people the crew that brought these down for me to Trail Hero. So I saved on shipping. I can't thank them enough. Like, I can't thank my friends that came over to help TJ put them on, as much as like even my husband. He's the one that does the majority of all the work on these. If I try to do things when I can, but there's certain things I can't, and this was one of them. I needed help, and seriously, everybody who made this entire project go, there's just no words. There's just none. I just appreciate it. Thank you to everybody. You guys all rock. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video, because as you can see, the back tires aren't on right now. So something else is going on, and you're gonna find out later what that is. But I can't tell you right now. Sorry, guys. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps somebody out there understand a couple of different ways that you can break a bead. It's just which way you choose to do it. And you know, after we got the hang of it on the truck, using the front of the truck with the Dawn dish soap and several other tools that I had mentioned, You guys, literally, my last 2 tires took me 5 minutes to break the bead. It was a rad way to do it, but you guys just remember, be really, really safe when you do it because it can get really dangerous, as you saw. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. Be kind, be safe, and remember, don't stop dominating. I gotta go test this thing in the hills now and get it christened. Have a great day. Bye, guys.